Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, let's have a look at the top stories. Morjim Gram Sabha demands flushing out of Russians in Morjim, resolves to compensate family of the deceased Rohidas Shetgaonkar. Foreigner allegedly assaults a local at Harmal, poses himself to be an Interpol official. Pedne police arrest assaulter. Morjim Ekward demands action against scantily dressed foreigners on beaches. Locals say government must act to prevent sexual assaults on tourists. Goa women's handball team win bronze medal after long await at South Zone Championship. Junior team gearing up for national tournament. And Vasco Sports Club beat Kalangut Association enter quarterfinals of Police Cup. Vasco coach Subrato Bhattacharya looking to avoid injuries to players. And now the news in detail. Villagers of Morjim have demanded combing of the village to flush out the Russian nationals. The villagers unanimously voiced the demand at the Gram Sabha on Sunday. Gram Sabha also asked Panchayat to compensate the family of Rohidas Shetgaonkar who died due to an assault by a Russian. People of Morji are up in arms against Russians staying in their village. On Sunday, all the villagers of Morjim got together at the Gram Sabha. Locals have asked the Panchayat body and government to take immediate steps to evict the Russians from Morjim.
त्यांका फॉरेनर जाय किंवा नाका जाय आणि पहिलीचे जे फॉरेनर असले ते बरे पद्धतीने असले बरे मन मिळावे घातले आताचे जे फॉरेनर असा ते आम्ही पर्यटनाच्या व्यवसायात त्या गुंतलेले असा पण असे जे फॉरेनर आता येतात त्यांच्यानी सगळ्याचेर आपल्या व्यवसायाचेर वर्चस्व गाजवलेले असा.
Mandre MLA Lakshmikant Parshekar, Sarpanch of Morji Ratnakar Shetgaonkar along with the Panch members were present for the Gram Sabha. There was chaos and uproar at the Gram Sabha. They strongly demanded to evict the Russians from Morjim.
Drugs available here, म्हणून जर रशियन हेतूर बरयले आणि ते कोणाक कळटले आमकां ड्रग्स अवेलेबल हियर आहा म्हणून कोणाक कळटले ही कळटले कोणाक जे भुरगे ड्रग्स विकतात कोणाक कळचे ना तेंका कळटले आणि फॉरेनरांक कळटले पण गावाचे कितें धावडे असो म्हणजे तुझा धावडपाचे असले तर तेंका धावडोवपाचे तेचेर फक्त कशें धावडोवपाचे तेंका धावडोवपाचे ना जाल्यार रवी सारके आनी प्रकरणां जातली मोरचे आणि थोड्यांक मारतले ते हे सुरुवात जाली हे सुरुवात आता सांगतो तो विषय.
Villagers have demanded that government should immediately compensate the aggrieved family of Rohidas Shetgaonkar. Rohidas died due to an assault by the Russian. Vasant Shetgaonkar put forth the plight of the family of Rohidas and they demanded justice.
Rohidas Shetgaonkar government level chief minister relief fund असता आणि कितें आसा त्या प्रमाणे तुम्ही आमी ठराव घेवया हांगासर की ताका कितें शासकीय हेचे मेळटा तो हेल्प मेळचो म्हूण प्रयत्न करूया. आमच्या बरोबर आमच्या आमदारांनी अशें आमी तुमी सरपंच सगळी मोरजीचो एकवट ह्या दृश्टीन आमचो तांकां सहकार्य आसतलें आनी जाता तितलो प्रयत्न करून जाता तितले मेळपाक तितले हें करूया.
MLA Lakshmikant said he will raise the issue with regards to Russians in the forthcoming budget session of the State Assembly.
नागरिकाचे मोरजे ज्या पद्धतीन निधन जाले ते निधन न्ही तो खून कारण एका फॉरेनर्सान तेजेर केल्ल्या अटॅकासून जाल्ली गोष्ट आसा त्यामुळे हांगा पोलिसांक फ्री हँड दिणें आवश्यक आसा आणि पोलिसांक तेंचे कर्तव्य आणि ड्युटीज समजून सांगप पुलिसांची संख्या वाडोवप ही आवश्यकता आसा. जनतेच्या सहकार्यान येणाऱ्या विधानसभेत हांव हो विशय मातसो धसाक लायतलो अशें हांवें निर्णय घेतलो आसा.
The locals in Morji are concerned about the growing activities of Russians. It would be interesting to see how the Panchayat and the state administration responds to the demands of locals. Our reporter in Morji, Vinod Methar, for Prudent Media. Another foreign national allegedly assaulted a local at Harmal. This is the second assault in Pedne within a week. The foreigner assaulted a shopkeeper and his mother, posing himself as an Interpol official. Pedne police later arrested him. He is charged for cheating and assaulting. A foreigner was arrested by Pedne police for allegedly assaulting a shopkeeper and his mother. According to the owner Suresh Maji, the foreigner entered the shop and asked for a SIM card. The person conversed in Hindi language. He claimed himself to be a French tourist. When the shopkeeper spoke in English in reply, the foreigner assaulted him and his mother, who had rushed to her son's help. The foreigner also claimed himself to be an Interpol official. Later, Pedne police arrested him. Police sources say the further investigations are on. This is the second assault by a foreigner on a Goan in Pedne Taluka in this week. Some locals expressed their anguish against the foreigners.
Person and even pushed his wife when they have done nothing. It's just that he just slapped them and pushed them. I think it is taking law in hand. I mean, you cannot just be violent on anyone, even in a normal family. It is violence. It comes under violence. It's not correct. And then you come and you use your violence on the local people for whatever reason. It is not correct. It's absolutely not correct. You come as a tourist. You respect our local people. You enjoy the friendliness that we are giving you, and you go happy back to your country.
रशियनान केल्लो आसा तो परत जावपाचो न्हू अशें आनी रशियन आतां कितें जाल्लें आसा हांगासर रशियन ड्रग्स घेता आनी ड्रग्साच्या नशेन हांगासर लोकांक दादागिरी करता दादागिरी करून मारामारी करता तें जावपाक जायना.
We contacted Mandre MLA Lakshmikant Parshekar and here is what he had to say.
हरमलान त्या पर्यटकान एका स्थानीक भुरग्याचेर हल्लो केलो, ताच्या घरांत घुसलो. त्या व्यक्तीचेर पोलीस कांयच एक्शन घेनान 15-20 मिनटांनी PI थंय पावलो हें म्हाज्या लक्षांत आयलें. PIन ताका ताब्यान घेतलो आनी ताब्यान घेतकीर ताणें म्हाका फोन केलो आनी तो आपूण इंटरनॅशनल पोलीस वगैरे असलें कितें तरी सांगता म्हणून लागलें. म्हटलें म्हाका तेचें जे एटिट्यूड हांव जरी हरमलान आसलो तरी म्हाका जे लोकां कडल्यान तेचें डिस्क्रिप्शन मेळ्ळां ताचे वयल्यान आय स्ट्रॉंगली फील की तो असो कोण तरी जबाबदार मनीस नासतलो, तो लफडेबाज जर आसतलो आनी त्यामुळे तेचें थरो इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जावचें.
Our reporter at Harmal, Vinod Mehtar. Morji High Court has demanded action against the scantily dressed foreign tourist on the beaches. Locals claim that government has to initiate such an action to prevent sexual assaults on the foreigners.
This move by Morji High Court is in the wake of Russians' recent attack on taxi driver Rohidas Shidgaonkar. High Court claimed that locals are neglected by the government.
If any Russian has a problem in this state, immediately the government takes it on. It goes up to the center, and even in the parliament there is so much of noise, just like the rape. I'm not saying that the rape should be ignored. No, it is wrong. But any crime of any sort should be taken up, be it of the Russians or be it of the locals. But I think here the local is completely ignored and it is not correct.
आनीक ताका मजत करपाक आमी तेंको दिता. तर सरकारांनी आमचे जे आमचे सांगणे आसा तेणे मानून घेवचे आनी कसलो तरी ताबडतोब ताका पोशाचो आदार मेळचो हीच आमची मागणी.
It would say that foreigners roam along the beaches scantily dressed. This leads to rise in sexual assaults on lady foreigners.
की आम्ही लोकल आसा आमच्या भायल्या भुरग्यांक वांगडा घेवन बिचार ते वचोंक शकना. अशी नागडी उगडी ती लोक थंय सगळो वेव्हार चल्लेलो आसा. उगड्यार बसून ते मालिश करतात आनी हे भायले लोक टुरिस्ट म्हणून आमच्या इंडियेचे आमच्या गोंया भायले येतात ते आशेन तेंच्याकडे पळयतात आनी युरोपी सारक्यो गोश्टी घडटात आनी विनाकारण हे गोंयकाराचें नांव बदनाम जाता. तर हे उगडे नागडे जे लोक फॉरेनर भोंवतात तेजेर थोडेशा सरकारान खंय तरी मातशें तरी बंधन घालपाक.
President of Morji High Court Vasant Shidgaonkar informed that they will together take initiative to support Rohidas Shidgaonkar's family. He has also urged CM to provide assistance to Shidgaonkar's family through Chief Minister's Fund.
आमचे प्रयत्न आसतले की मुख्यमंत्र्यापर्यंत आमची हे योजना तेंच्याकडे जावन चीफ मिनिस्टर रिलीफ फंड जो आसा त्याच्या तर्फे किंवा इतर आणि कोणत्याही परिस्थितीत त्यांच्याकडसून आम्ही प्रयत्न करून कितें मेळटा तो फंड घेवन तेजे फॅमिली सपोर्ट करता.
A reporter from Morji, Vinod Mehtar for Prudent Media.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned.